Okay, so I'm trying to demonstrate the difference between the onboard microphone that's in my Nikon D7000 and the Tascam DR-40 that I'm using to record the separate audio. I'll just switch back and forth between the two and to show you the differences between the audio capture on each. You can tell that the DR-40 has a heck of a lot less background noise and hiss and artifacting. It's also going to be a lot more tight. It's only going to be getting my voice. You won't get any the background noise. And I am really pleased with the results thus far. And we'll see how my experiments go as I move forward.